So you want to make a speedrun timer like this. As you see, I can just move around. If I die, it still stays there. And if I switch the scene, it saves. So I have this really simple player control, really simple. All the lines of code are just here. It goes left, up, down, and right. Really simple. And I have this one button that press die, it just reloads the scene. Like if I move here, reloads back to everything in the default position. So let's to go to scene 2 and stuff like that. Really simple. And we're gonna make a really simple speedrun timer as well. So we're gonna make a new scene, and in here we're gonna click other node and go canvas layer. We're making a canvas layer, so when we move the player, the text doesn't like move in a weird position. It stays in that one position the entire time. And we're gonna add a label node. For now, we're gonna put like 100 ... so we know where it looks like right now, and we're gonna click this layout button here and do bottom right. So now it's on the bottom right of our screen. Nice. Now we're gonna delete this, and we're gonna save the scene as I'm gonna name it Speedrun. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Speedrun. Then we're gonna click this add script button, and we're gonna just click create. In here, we're gonna delete everything, and I'm going to copy paste like the really simple code. It's in the description if you want it as well, but I'll just explain it all really simple. But before we do this, we need to make a global script because I forgot to do that. My bad. I'm going to just name it global. If you already made one, just use it there. I'll just do this. So I'm just going to make one really simple right now. And if I open up, here we go in the auto load script. I'm going to make a variable called speedrun time, and I'm going to put this at 0, so the default value is 0. Then you're just going to save and go back here. Okay, so I'm going to explain what this code entirely really does. So we're making a variable named time, which is going to be 0, and we make a physics process, which is just time plus delta really. And this is the entire speedrunning thing comes from here, and this is just updates to UI as button name. So in this, we're pretty much formatting time, so there'll be like that dot after the 2 decimal points, and after all of this, we're going to just put it into the label.text. So if we really run this right now, actually no, we don't run it because we need to add it. If we go here, click this chain icon, I guess. You're going to add the speedrun node here, and then we're going to run it. And the bottom right, you're going to see it's counting up. I can move around, everything works well. And I can click die and reload the scene as much as I want, and it does not change. I also go to scene 2, scene 1, scene 2, scene 1, and it would stay that entirely. Also, this is really easy to add into a leaderboard tutorial I made a while ago. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial about how to make a simple speedrun timer. This took me so long to make for my own game, so I hope you really enjoy this.